Are you a newbie in blogging? Don't worry, I'm going to show you something you need to know how to do so that you'll be able to become a pro in the field of blogging. Before writing an article, it is important for you to have what is called keywords. The keywords enable people to search for your article and read through them. This video too is going to be of benefit to those who are already bloggers and in the field of blogging. Okay, so it's not only reserved for the newbies, so everyone can actually benefit from the video. And sometimes when you want to pick a topic, you might find it so difficult, but don't worry, I'm going to show you everything on how to run and a very good keyword research and how to get good topic for your blog articles and rank better on Google. Now, what is a keyword? A keyword is that indicator, all right? Just a simple form, let me just put it simple form. That indicator that tells people that what you are looking for is found in this article. Now, this keyword will enable people to actually find your article and read through it. That will also help people know that this particular article is of good information to them. So if you now look at keywords, we can subdivide keywords into different sections. One, we have the informational keywords, we have the translational key, so the navigational keywords, and we have the translational keyword among others. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get very good keywords that will enable you rank better on Google. So if you are ready, follow me as I'm going to do that. Now, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Now, we're going to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an open um, AI that you can easily use to enhance your blogging skill. All right. Now, there's an add-on on ChatGPT called the template. So in this section here, just click on the template and this category will come up. Now in this category, choose your category. So you choose this XEO, all right? Then in the subcategory, choose this section, the keyword research, okay? Keyword research. So then under the template, go to keyword strategy. Pick these sections. Now we've actually been able to select what we actually want to do in ChatGPT. Now it's less for us to give ChatGPT the topic for it to pick out keywords for us. But don't worry, sometimes you might not actually know the topics you want to work with. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a simple thing that you can do, and ChatGPT will generate both the keywords and at the same time the topic that fit that keyword for you. So relax as I'm going to do that for you now. Now, assuming you want to work on hepatitis, maybe I want to write on hepatitis, but I don't actually know the topic I'm going to give my article. Having chosen this XEO section, keyword and keyword strategy in ChatGPT, all I need to do is to just type here hepatitis. And once I have that, I will now click execute. All right, I'll click execute. So let's hold on. Fine, it's writing it. So keywords are also being generated, and the type of search intent, that is the search intent, your audience search intent. And when you go down a little bit, you're gonna see the let's scroll. Okay, let's allow it to finish generating. So GPT will give you tons of keywords for you to resection and for you to write on. Okay, so they're all generating it. Okay, fine. So let's stop here. Now we have a lot of keywords here. And one of the good thing about ChatGPT is that it's going to categorize it in table for you. You're going to have sections for the keywords. You're going to have section for the search intent. You're going to have sections for the title. of your article. So let me just quickly scroll to the right. Let's quickly scroll to the right so that you see the title. All right, so here we have this. Okay, let me just fine. So this is one of the keyword, okay? Hepatitis symptoms. So this is one of the keywords that people are searching in the internet. Then what is their search intent? Because it is important to know the search intent. Now, their search intent is to get information about this particular disease. Okay, so if you use this keyword, you are going to rank high on these particular keywords. So let's now go down and see other section intent. We have informational search intent. Most of them are informational search intent. Okay. In some cases, when you input your data, you might have some of these keywords to be informative or informational keywords, commercial keywords, or even navigational keywords. All right. Now let's now pick this and look at the topic generated by this chat GPT that we can use for our article. So we have hepatitis symptom. So let's scroll to the left, sorry, to the right and see. Good. So we have this title. Are you seeing it? Title, say recognizing hepatitis symptoms. Then what is the description? Now, in your article, there's a section we refer to as the meta description. So usually use that for your search engine optimization. Once your article is done, it's important to always have this search description imputed in your article. So ChatGPT has given us the topic recognizing hepatitis symptoms. So this is the title that you can use for your topic if you don't really have one. Okay, then the meta description of this topic should be learn about the common signs of hepatitis. Are you seeing it? So ChatGPT has actually made things easier for you as a blogger to excel. So what are you waiting for? Why not exploit? Why not use it to become a professional? All right. Now, let me still show you how you can also search or check these keywords to know if they are actually what people are searching in the internet. Okay. Because it is important to know about them. You don't just pick a keywords and you start writing and use the keyword in your article, but you need to know if people are actually searching for these keywords, and you need to also know what is the search volume per month. All this will give you that edge for you to be able to become better equipped to write a blog article. And once this blog article is written, you will see yourself ranking better on your blog. Now let's pick these hepatitis symptom and let's head on to Google. All right. Now, there on Google, let's click and paste it there and see if people are actually searching for that particular keyword. Now, for our results here, we have hepatitis symptoms in women. The first point there is hepatitis symptoms. We have that of in women. We have hepatitis symptoms and treatment. Hepatitis symptoms in female. So this is giving us an idea that people are actually searching for this particular topic. So they want to know about this particular disease. Now, we cannot just stop here alone. We need to be very sure that we are actually using the keyword that can help us rank better in our blog business. So what we need to do now is to look for another keyword research tool and check if actually people are searching for this. At least if you have two, three places that tells you that people are actually searching for this keyword, then you are good to go. Now I'm going to show you, introduce you to a site, um, a keyword research tool that will give you that particular information. There are a lot of keyword research too, like the Ahref, like the SEMrush, but some of those particular two are paid too, though they have some of them that are free version, but I have tried to use them and compare it to this particular tool I'm going to show you now, and I've discovered that it's of no use wasting your money to buy um, premium too sometimes, because as a new blogger you might find it difficult to have the finance to do that. So I'm going to show you this tool that still gives you the better result. I've used them and I'm still using it. I've compared its performance with other keyword research too, and they are all doing fine. So I'm going to show you the keyword research tool now, and the first thing we need to do is to copy this keyword. Okay, so let's copy this keyword. So do you want to know the research tool now? Hope you're ready to know about it. Good. I'm going to show you the research tool, so be patient. Watch this video. I know you want to know the keyword research tool, but be patient. Watch this video from the start to the end, and you'll become professional in keyword research. Okay, so now let's just copy this, and let's head on this time to the um, keyword 2. Okay, I have it open here, which is the hot. So you have it here, the hot. So the keyword 2 that will also give you the same thing, SEMrush and Ahrefs Stars, is the hot. We have the premium version, we have the free version, but I think the free version is also very good. It can give you much more information. All right. So once you're in their platform, go straight to tools. In your tool, go straight to keyword research. Boom. We are there, keyword research, and let's hold on, let it load. All right. So it's coming up, and here we are. Okay. So now let's look at that and see. The network is to be slow, but don't worry, it's still loading. And let's hold on a little bit. Let's hold on a little bit while it comes up. Now, one of the things in this site is once you log in, if you've not registered with them, you will be required to register with them for you to be able to use their tool. So for me, I have done the registration before now, and that is how I'm able to log in. And the registration is free, okay? So you can actually use this tool to enhance your blogging journey and become proficient, make some cool cash, from the blogging business. So now we are in this tool. We are going to check now to see if people are actually searching for the keywords we use. So I'll press the keyword here and I'm going to search view keyword information. So let's hold on. So the network is bad. Okay, let's click again, generate data, and there we are. You can see that we have the information we need. Now, if you look at it, we have the keywords here, the search volume and intent. Now, the search volume, we have 22,200 per month. Wow, that is awesome. Great. 22,200 search per month. So that is the keyword search volume per month. What does that tell us? It tells us that actually people are searching for this particular keyword that we just generated from ChatGPT. Okay, from ChatGPT. Now we have this already. Then, but let me tell you something. You must have this add-on implemented in your ChatGPT before you can have this capacity of getting this particular results. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate this add-on on your ChatGPT for you to harness the power of ChatGPT in your blog. Keyword research. All right, let's go back to the hot and let me show you something there now. Now here we have hepatitis symptoms. We have search volume per month to be 22,200, and cost per click (CPC) is $0.44. All right, and the competition here is 100. That is very high, isn't it? You might say. But let me tell you, that shouldn't discourage you. Sometimes you'll see a keyword with a difficult search or difficult competition index. That doesn't really mean that you cannot rank for it. You can actually rank for them if you know what you're doing. So let's now go down a little bit and see other keywords that are related. Okay, we call it the related keywords. Okay, so these are other related keywords. Now we've gotten this. Okay, now I'm going to show you one thing. Let's click on this link .google and let's see. I'm going to show you just something little for you to see. You see that these keywords, the search and the rest, are actual live data being generated from Google. All right. So now we've known that we have a very good, reliable keyword we can use in our blog. And then let's go back to our chat GPT because we've confirmed that there's actually a search volume to these keywords. Okay. Now let's go back to our chat GPT. Now, having known that this keyword is okay and people are actually searching for it to get information about hepatitis, what should our title read? That's another thing. Now, ChatGPT has made it so easier for us to be able to uh, get a very good and reliable topic if you don't have any for your article. So let's just go down a little bit and navigate to the right and see what the topic is. So see, recognizing hepatitis symptom. That is the topic. Hmm? That is the topic. And if you see, we have the keyword imputed here in the topic. So this is, isn't it? Easy as ABC. So apply this in your own and let me know your progress if it's actually working for you. And my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate the add-ons to be able to get these, okay, into your ChatGPT. I am Omaka. I'm a digital expert, a blogger, and as well a coach. So if you have any question, please leave your comment below this video, and I will be glad to respond to you immediately. See you next in our next video.